This video will walk you through the song of Angel Food Cake, and it's from the Tasty Tunes. For this piece, the pedal, right pedal, will be pressed down throughout the whole song. And it's quite patterned, and if you learn one part, it will be easy to learn all the other part. The right hand start with a beautiful melody on finger 3-1-3. Bring that up. And the left hand's doing similar things, but instead of a skip, the left hand's playing a step from C to B flat. When they are together, it sounds like this. And notice my left hand still hold on to the middle C. One more time. And this continues to a longer phrase, to a longer melody. Before we start with, now we have an extra note. And let's hear how that sounds like. Left hand still hold on to the middle C, and right hand's adding the extra note. One more time. And after that, it comes this beautiful melody growing to the second line. One more time, the first line. Right hand go up, come back down, extra note, and grow into this 4 note. And then the melody becomes and let me play that. The left hand stay the same. And the melody grow again into A. So look at my pinkies ready to play A. Let's focus on one hand only. So right hand start with these 2 notes. Then on second line, it becomes this. On third line, it becomes this. And on the third line, it becomes this again. And line 4, it becomes small. So the melody is going on a journey of becoming bigger and come back down. Let me play it from beginning. Bong, 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 bong. Bong, 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 bong. Become small. One, two, three, four. There's a tight note. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left hand stay pretty much the same. Bong, 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 bong. Bong, 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 bong. Measure 9. Line 4, measure 13 coming up. Them together, let's start with line 2. Bong, 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 bong. So you probably have noticed I have not been playing measure 4, measure 8, and measure 12, the end of every measure, because that's the special part. Let me backtrack. I have not been playing measure 4 and measure 8 because that's the special growing part. That part that's measure 4 and measure 8. So work on that separately. And now let's start from the beginning without measure 4 and measure 8. Bong, 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 bong. Now it becomes second line measure 5, 4, 1, 4, but left hand stay the same. Bong, 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 bong. Third line. And when it comes back down, it becomes finger 4. The third line is different from line 1 and line 2. That's what makes it interesting. And now move on to line 4. 2, 5, 2, and together. 2, 5, 2, and on measure 16, which is the end of line 4, we have a repeat sign. That means go back to the beginning and repeat the first 4 lines again before we play the ending, the 5th line. And the ending is very similar to line 4. And just end on C and F. Enjoy your beautiful angel food cake piece.